Welcome back, Kastle Custom Flooring More. Today we will give you views on the floor that we done in K.Triple, Missouri. We removed the carpet. To our surprise, termites were running. We contacted the homeowner immediately. They asked if this was a job that we would want to take on. We said, of course. So we went out and got termite spray and treated it from the inside. We tore all of the old drywall out, which had a lot of moisture behind it and a lot of termite activity. There's a lot of decayed wood. We saved this window actually and the wall itself. That frame was rotted so bad it was not good. So we plan to take all the decayed and infestation away from the wall and underneath the window, to go ahead and put new insulation, new sheathing, and new drywall. Also, we went and bought new treated wood to rebuild the frame and structure. Also, to put the windows back online. The gap that was there, we went ahead and added insulation to that as well. We added gap filler to keep outside moisture and outside air from coming through the window sill. That is what really caused a lot of this damage. It's the water that continuously came through, and that causes insects like termite, water bugs, and other insects that you don't want inside your house finding a way in. There was also electric work there. We needed to remove the socket in order to restructure the wall and frame. So we turned off the breaker and disconnected the electrical socket from the wall. Next, coming up, you will see that all of the infested wood has been taken out, and we put treated wood back in, and we have the window centered again back at its original setting. This is the boss woman. She's putting the electrical socket back on the stud so we can turn the power back on. Once the electrical portion was completed, we did finish with the insulation, the sheathing, and new drywall. The homeowner asked if we could finish the drywall, and they can paint themselves. Now that the drywall is completed, we're back to the floor, and as you can see, there's a lot of urine spots from their cats. They didn't take our recommendation, which would be to take those boards out and replace them with new wood. So we gave them what they were asking for. The floor turned out beautiful. That was the first coat of polyurethane being applied. The boss woman making it happen. So we added the final coat of polyurethane, as you can see right here. The customer wanted the transition added to the kitchen and the living room threshold, so we did that. The furniture was put back in place into the living room, and I will be installing this transition from the kitchen to the living room. The customers were happy with this floor. We were happy with it as well. And this is the transition that was installed from the hallway to the bathroom. So once the transition is installed, this job was completed. This is Kastle Custom Flooring More, and we're signing out. Let me know in the comment section how you feel.